Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my wash day routine. So first I'm just starting off by sectioning off my hair, and I usually just section off my hair in 4 sections, and right now I'm just saturating it, making sure that the product really gets into my hair. Now I'm going to be using the DevaCurl Wash Day Wonder, and I've been loving this stuff on my hair. I've literally used it every time I wash my hair, and it's basically like a pre-slip detangler, and it just helps really detangle my hair before I even shampoo it or condition it or anything. It just makes the washing process so much easier, and I recommend it to anyone. It is so good. And if you guys see me dancing, it's because I was jamming out to music while I was washing my hair, so you know, just don't mind me. So after I'm finished with one section, I basically just twist it up and then move on to the next section, and I just do this for the 4 sections that I made. If we get this video to 50 thumbs up, I will post a curly hair routine, so make sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. So moving on to my shampoo, I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature Moisturizing Shampoo, and it has like shea butter and mango butter. It has like a really nice scent to it, and I don't know, even though it has sulfate in it, I think the shampoo works wonders on my hair. It makes my hair feel so moisturized, like my hair can actually like take the shampoo, because sometimes shampoos make my hair so dry, but this is not the case. I love this shampoo so much, and yeah, I'm just putting it throughout my hair. And I usually, during this part of my wash day, I use 2 sections instead of 4, because I just feel like it speeds up the process. Yeah. Hate it when you get shampoo in your eye. Like literally it burned me so much, and that's why I look like this. But yeah, it was burning me like crazy. To give myself a little scalp massage while I do my hair, just because it helps stimulate hair growth and it feels so good on your scalp, and I just love it because you have so much buildup on your scalp. Once you just scrub that off, oh, it feels amazing. Next, I'm going to be taking the Pantene Gold Series Moisture Boost Conditioner, and I use a lot of this product. I've been really loving this conditioner to use as like one of my conditioners on wash day. I use this and I put it throughout my hair in sections. I section it in two and then I just rake it through. I really love this conditioner. It smells really good and it moisturizes my hair and just brings the life back to it. Last but not least, I'm going to be using the Mega Long Extreme Reconstructing Deep Conditioner. Yes, that is a handful, but yes, I'm going to be using this, and this is when I section my hair back into 4 like I did when I used that DevaCurl product. So basically, I noticed that with this deep conditioner, I have to use it on soaking wet hair. Like, my hair cannot be dry at all because, I don't know, the product just doesn't really penetrate my hair as much as if I were to wet it. And I also love to get my ends. I feel like that's the most important part of your wash days, to always get your ends, never forget about them. Sometimes like I feel like I do, but you know, I've been trying to like really get my ends because sometimes those split ends just crazy. So after each section, I basically just twist it and put it in a Bantu knot instead of just like regular twist, because I feel like it just keeps the deep conditioner in my hair a lot better. So after I finished doing the Bantu knots, I just put my hair in a shower cap and I finish bathing. So I just wait a couple minutes, usually around 15 minutes. So this is what my hair looks like after I rinse out the deep conditioner. It's very moisturized and just my curls are popping. And after that, I just used this turban that I found. I think I got it at Ross, and it's just like a microfiber towel, and I just wrap it up and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.